BMW revealed the first details of the upcoming M2. The new generation model will have the world premiere in October this year, followed by a market launch in April 2023. Some details are already known. The power under the bonnet of the M2 is provided by a tried and tested engines of the M3 and M4 models. There are two optional transmission types for the customers, the manual 6-speed gearbox and the 8-speed M-Steptronic gearbox. The sporty driving characteristics are intensified by the adaptive M chassis and the rear-wheel drive on the new M2. Even though the car is teased with this camo livery, you can see the sporty appearance of the new generation model. Tell me in the comments how do you like it and subscribe for more.